Hi everyone, so today I'm going to do a short video on how to cook and prepare a frozen lobster. I'm going to do a short step-by-step guide on how to do this at home. I'm just a domestic cook and I just want to show you how simple it is to do. Lobsters are a luxury delicacy that are so delicious but also really easy to prepare. So one of the reasons that I'm doing this today is rather than going through the faffiness of, buying a live lobster, your lobster will arrive frozen, and I'm going to explain to you how from when it gets delivered to your house, you are going to defrost and cook this. So my lobster arrived in the post frozen, and I have defrosted this in the fridge overnight. Any areas around the claws or around the base that was still a little bit frozen, you can just run under some cold water for a few seconds and that will just help get a bit of movement into the lobster. So to begin, what you want to do is you want to cut off the netting like this. Release this beautiful little fella and then cut off the blue bands. Okay, so this is the 500-gram lobster. I'm going to boil this in boiling hot water for 4 minutes, and you can see on our website, relevant to the size of the lobster that you purchase, how long to boil or steam. So we're going in for 4 minutes. I've got some boiling water just here, and I'm going to drop him in for 4 minutes and start a timer. Okay, so I'm going to use 2 pairs of tongs. I haven't got a big enough pair of tongs here, but 2 will be sufficient. Pop him out and straight into the ice bath. Making sure we don't cut off any claws or anything. And just pop him in you go. There we go. Okay, so that is the first step to cooking your lobster from frozen. Join us on the next video where I'll be with Alistair on how to prepare your lobster.